Hi, I'm Lauraine McDonald. I'm from groove.ai. We help businesses grow and cut costs with smart AI-driven marketing solutions. One of those solutions or tools that I use is called Groove AI. We use this quite a lot. The nearest competitor to Groove is probably Jasper, but this is a ton better than Jasper. Let me demonstrate. This is the landing page, the first page. If we create a new project, we'll call it demo, and we'll go into the demo project to demonstrate some of the tools. So first up, we can turn on a knowledge base. We can actually upload data into this knowledge base that you wish to actually draw from. So if you don't have any data in the knowledge base, or you turn it off, then it will simply use the web as its knowledge base. If you turn it on, then it'll just access from that knowledge base. Or it can do both. You can set what level it will access from the knowledge base. So it can only access 100% of the information that it produces for you from the knowledge base, or you can cut it down to just 25% of that knowledge base. If we turn that off and access from the web, this is some of the magic of this tool. You can actually set a voice for the tool. So in here, I have my own voice. I have a voice of Katie Couric. I have a Herald Sun journalist voice. I also have some frameworks that I use. If I use I might use Katie's voice for this particular one. We can optimize the temperature, the top P, the frequency penalty. These are all ways that the AI tool controls the burstiness of the language, or the creativeness or the personality of the language that you're speaking. If you're not heavily into this sort of stuff, it's possibly best just to leave it at default and leave that alone. The easiest way to do things is to create a format. So choose a format. So the formats, you have a choice of blog post formats, emails, bullet points, e-commerce type styles. These are sort of all of the styles: webinar, slide outline, landing page copy, video script for voiceover. So you can choose whichever. Let's choose a video script. So we've got a video script for voiceover. We then go into the framework. So here are all the different frameworks. They're tried and true techniques and frameworks that are used with video scripts. So you can have the happy ever after ending, the turning point, from frustration to fulfillment. So if we went to, say, an email and then went to this framework area here, it would give us different frameworks that are more suitable to emails. So there's a whole bunch of frameworks. There's about 30 frameworks for each of these formats. So you can pick and choose whatever you require. If we go down here, you also have a choice to pick your tone and style. So you can have an engaging, you can pick from any of these: an engaging, a sympathetic, a sarcastic tone and style, a tone. Then you can pick a style at this level here, and you can pick the goal. So whether it's to increase conversions, generate sales, or drive traffic. You can have one or multiple goals picked, same with style and tone. If you like to generate your own custom style or tone, I'd say in the style of, I don't know, a Herald journalist, sentences no more than 25 words, summary first par of less than 30 words, which I think is 25, but anyway. So you can choose your own style if you want to. Down here is the output, so you can choose any language you like. At the moment, it's set at English. you can have a short, medium, or long length, and your output. I don't know if I can move this. I think I can. It can be marked down WYSIWYG, so you can write in chunks, which we would do. You can incorporate ellipses. You can have bold keywords per sentence, so you can use that for SEO purposes. So if we've got all of that set, once it's set, it's set for good. So we can then come down here. Here's your traditional entry point for your tasks. So we'd say write a video script for a new product, which is an AI driven marketing service called, let's say, disruptor marketing, and we press enter. So this is the video script. So it gives us a voiceover. It gives us testimonials, suggested testimonials. It gives us instructions for, where to put the music in and out, close-up shots of, the sorts of shots that we do. If we like all of this, if we were to if we liked this, we would send that across to this area here, which is the document section. So we can then edit this. So we can say, please create necessary clips for here, and insert. So you could do whatever you like. If you don't like this part here, you can there's a little thing called Ask AI. You can pop it up and you can rewrite it, or you can make it more concise, or you can give an example. So we'd say, give an example, and say, sure, here's an example. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. So we'd, we'd discard it. Makes it more difficult when this is in the way. So let's join something else. So join the ranks, you'll leave them behind. We'll ask AI to do something. We'd say rewrite. We would say insert after the cursor. So we could do anything we want in here using the Ask AI little tool. Something that's pretty cool. If we go up here to the original prompt, we'll see this is the prompt that's happening behind the scenes. So even though we wrote one line, if I go back to here, write a video script, it actually translated that prompt into this prompt. So it's a huge difference, and that's how it can generate the type of great content that it does. If we can actually rename this section here, and we could say version 1, and we can add another document here. So if we wanted to say rewrite this as a blog, we should have actually changed the video script to a blog. But it's smart enough, and it's figured it all out, and it's now currently rewriting it as a blog. If we were to transfer that to here, sorry, I always do that, and we transfer it, move it across to the document, we now have this can be renamed as blog. So you can see it's quite, we can do the same up here as well. So if we've exhausted this topic and we want to start a new topic, but we still want to keep all of these settings, we could call this one, rename, we could call this a new company name. So this would be company 2. and you do exactly the same thing, just recreating it. So it's pretty cool. If we go back to our index page and we go to this little section here, which is called apps, it gives us a whole bunch of other things that we can do. These are actually built-in GPTs. I'll try and move that over to here, which is pretty good. They give you, you can analyze your writing style and then use that in the writing style custom box that we looked at before. You can get your elevator pitch perfect. You can write a landing page. You can upload a blog here and make it better. You can create a webinar outline. So there's a whole lot of that you can write advertisements for Facebook, Google Tubes, YouTube rather. There's a ton of other. You can generally upload a file, upload an image, and recreate an image that looks similar but not quite the same. So if we were to, I don't know, let's go to we could create better prompts. Let's craft a mission statement. It says here, mission statement, write a mission statement for a company called XYZ, which specializes in, I'll just move my face here, selling t-shirts. And it would go away and say it needs more information. So it would say, please upload a completed brand intake form using this link. So you would use that link to create a brand intake form and upload some more information. Enjoy. Thank you.